Hello everybody. In this video, let's learn how academic institutions can efficiently create bulk Aadhaar IDs or ABC IDs for your students within the National Academic Depository Karnataka (NAD Karnataka) portal. The purpose of creating unique Aadhaar IDs or ABC IDs for students. As per Government of India guidelines, Aadhaar ID's ABC ID is mandatory from the year 2021 admission batch onwards. To avoid duplication in the registration number of the students between two or more universities. Now, we will guide you through the steps to create bulk Aadhaar IDs or ABC IDs for both current and passed out students. Follow along as we go through each part of the process, ensuring all IDs are created accurately and efficiently. Step 1. Prepare your data. First, gather all the necessary students' information in a spreadsheet with the following details for each student. Candidate's name as per Aadhaar card. Date of birth in DD YYYY format as per Aadhaar card. Gender, use M or male for male, F or female for female and O for others. 12-digit Aadhaar number. 10-digit mobile number linked to their Aadhaar. Registration number or roll number provided by the institution. For some institutions, roll number and registration number may be same. Roll number provided by the institution. Save the file in CSV format on your desktop. Step 2. Log in to NAD Karnataka portal. Go to browser. Type URL https://www.nad.karnataka.gov.in/to access the NAD Karnataka portal. Click on Academia. Click on Login button. Click on Login with DigiLocker Meri Pehchan tab. Enter account owner's registered mobile number. Click on PIN-less authentication checkbox and I consent to terms of use checkbox. Click on Sign in. Enter the OTP received to the registered mobile number. Click on Sign in. You get a window and click on Allow. It redirects to the dashboard. Click on Profile icon and select the Utilities option. You can view three options: Subject Mapping, ABC ID Creation, ABC ID Verification. Click on ABC ID Creation option. Now click on Sample File from here option in the window and the sample file CSV will get downloaded to your system. Open the downloaded CSV file and fill all the details given in the file and save on your desktop. Then close the file. Return to the NAD portal. Click on Upload button and select the CSV file saved on your desktop and click on Open. Click the Declaration checkbox and click Next button to submit the file. You can view the file upload status on the right side of the screen. On successful upload, the file status reflects as success in green within few hours. On successful upload, you can download the CSV file by clicking on down arrow button under Action column. The downloaded CSV includes the ABC ID successfully generated for the candidates, and it also has a remarks column explaining reasons if any student's ABC ID is not generated as follows. ABC ID created. Data entered does not match with the Aadhaar details. Please enter correct details as per Aadhaar. ABC ID already exists. The Aadhaar field must be exactly 12 characters in length. By following these steps, academic institutions can efficiently create ABC IDs for their students within the National Academic Depository (NAD) system. Congratulations! You have successfully created bulk ABC IDs for both current and passed out students. This process helps in saving time and ensures accuracy of the data. Tips: ensure candidate's name, mobile number and Aadhaar number are as per the candidate's Aadhaar card. Thank you for watching.